I mean, I keep the knife on me though. Like, you know what I'm saying? You have to keep a knife on you down here in Colorado. Am I wrong?
I mean, I'm a pretty good boxer.
So you don't need a knife?
No.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Well, where'd you get that? Don't put that up.
All right. Comac's out here tripping, man. Oh, hold on.
We're just showing the sneakers here. Sneakers here.
All right, mic check 1 2 1 2. I got a new little foam cover on the mic, so we good. All right, so we got the yellow Lobsters today, and these shoes are just crazy, man. This is apparently a pair that originally released in, it was a July 27th, 2009, and these definitely were not on my radar. I had no idea they existed. Since then, I've only reviewed the orange Lobster, which was super popular. That's a pair with the white laces, orange laces. Then I do the teal laces, it looks like, and those are pretty dope. I think the teal laces look the best. But I did not keep the shoe. It was just a little bit too much for me. And here's a picture of the OG from 2009. Looks like the last sale on StockX was $45,000. You can get another pair right now for about $40K, which is just, I would say it's a little pricey. And that looks like that little lobster claw holder was maybe black or gray. I forgot to even do the yellow lace swap. I'm sorry, guys. I just got caught up and forgot. And I was going to put the little claw clamp on, but I forgot that too. But anyway, that's not important. What is important is we got the yellow Lobster in hand for you today. And I would just say these are a little crazy. They weren't as vibrant and wild when I had like bigger pants on. They was cool. And what is that right there? Is that inside like some kind of lobster paper they put the lobster on when they serve it to you? I've never had lobster served to me on that kind of parchment paper, so I don't know what's up with that, but I do know it does look good. It's a good contrast with the sneaker. Insole is good, and the air zoom on the other side was actually really responsive. I was thinking about it, I was walking around. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. The quality, the build of this shoe is also really, really good. Now, is this something that I would walk around in and have this shoe in like my weekly rotation? Probably not. Even with the orange Lobster, probably not. But I did underestimate them, and I do think they look good on feet. You see, I tried to do the teal sock with these. It kind of worked out. And with jeans, they look good. If you throw these on, you go out. I got a couple compliments for some dishwashing guys out there. That was pretty dope. But you got to be like a real SB dude or fan to have these in regular rotation. There's nothing wrong with that. But let's take a closer look at these under the black light. And there were some interesting things. I think I saw, come on, let's get around to it. There it is. There's a stamp. I didn't point it out, but when I looked at this again, I was like, oh, there's a stamp on there. And I still don't really know what the stamps mean. Maybe it has something to do with customs because these were sent to me from a different continent. But I'm not really sure about that. I don't know. Some red marking around there too. Are those pin marks? Is that how they show up on this yellow? I don't know. The shoe is really good. Build quality, I'll give it about an 8. for me wearing them, I don't know. I just wouldn't. See right here, they look cool. They look cool right here. But this is something I'll put back in the box and honestly forget about. But peace, love, and light. I am out, guys. Make sure you follow me on IG. That's the best way to communicate with me on YouTube. Comments, or they're not really the same. And also let me know what sneakers you might want to see, because me and this gifter went back and forth. They were like, this one I was like, nah. This one I was like, nah. And it's because I did mostly everything this year except the DMPs, but those are coming soon. So just drop in the comments. I'm starting to get into like doubles and triples, and I get like uninspired when I start having to do the multiples of the same shoe. But just make sure you follow me on IG. We will pick it up next week with some more videos, and we'll go from there. So peace, love, and light. I'm out.